Will Bea De Leon have an early birthday gift today, or will Janet Panaga have a belated birthday gift ngayong Sabado? At ito mga numero doon sa fourth set win ng Ateneo laban sa Blazers.
That's right. Look at the attacks, 14-10, blocking even. But the aces, you know, we saw Benil play excellent volleyball in the first two sets. They were receiving pretty well, pero they obviously struggled there in that fourth set. So nag-carry over yung nangyari sa kanila third set. Although lumaban sila konti, but they still came up short.
I thought that it was still tied at 14-0, but eventually Eliza Valdez was able to extricate Ateneo from the comeback of the Blazers. At yung 19-14 na kalamangan, nahirapan na yung Blazers na makabalik, makalapit. And eventually Ateneo closed out the fourth set with a 5-point win. Pero eto na rin, duluhan na. Paborito mo!
Oh, 5 set. Fifth set. Yeah, you mentioned it, Coach Ronnie. Belated happy birthday to Janet Panaga of Benil yesterday.
On cue.
Oo nga, on cue.
Wala ka na magagawa sa first two sets. Yun ang ipinasok sa mga puso ng Lady Eagles. At para naman sa Blazers, pwede mo namang iyakan. Pwede mo nang isang tabi yung nakalipas na third and fourth sets. Wala ka na magagawa. Bawal malungkot. All you have to do is play every point. Here in the fifth and final set. 1-0 para sa Blazers. Stan binuhay para kay Valdez. Inangat ni Torres para kay Navarro.
Oh, good day. Oh.
Blazers 2 points. Ateneo none so far here in the fifth set.
Yeah, net violation ng De Leon. And nag-ano siya, wala, hair ko.
If it's Fan Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Dito halos bawal lang magkamali.
Yeah, of course, a shorter race to 15.
De Leon almost but not quite. Navarro. Too wide.
If you're Benil, again, no, you gotta minimize your hitting errors. This is winning time. This is the fifth set. Wala nang 6, 7, or 8
At walang
sets.
nasa harap ni Navarro, no?
No. But I can see yung gusto ni Navarro na set lower. Ayaw na yung mataas.
Hirapan siya.
Oo.
And Clona, good service reception. Oops. That's out of control for the Blazers.
Thank you.
Lamang ng dalawa. Nakabawi naman itong Ateneo sa dalawang attack errors ng Blazers. Naging erratic yung laro ng Benil, no?
Yes.
Ultra fast LTA for a happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps monthly. Internet for as low as 999. It's an ace against Enclona by Ateneo. Look at Coach Ty Bundit. Ayan. Run, tan. Happy.
I know that's his dance. His signature dance.
Kaya payat si Coach Ty eh. Diba?
From practice siya
Parang
palagi.
workout dyan sa gilid. 3-2 for Ateneo after being down 2-0. Torres free ball. De Leon. Oops. Tan, ginawa ng paraan. That's a late but the right call.
That's right. Narinig natin si Coach Michael. Talagang backline.
Sinabol niya, oh. 3-all, fifth set. Ateneo 3-0 looking for its fourth straight win. The Blazers are at 2-1. Looking to rebound and bounce back after losing to UST. Kung sa nakalipas sa laro. This time Navarro. Bouncing on that over-reception by Eliza Valdez.
Yeah, but again, a great serve by Elaine Dolorito.
Kanino mo pa hina-highlight yan, Noreen?
That's true.
Steady, solid, efficient. Again.
Yes.
Kita mo, walang spin. Ang humiro. Uy!
Oh, still
Lucky
alive.
break, oh. Eliza, drop. Excellent read. Able to find the crease in the defense of the Blazers.
Yeah, but it's typical Eliza for you, no? She knows when exactly to drop. More often than not.
Enclona. Navarro against a double block. Oh, nice.
That was a set she liked.
At maski dinaan niya sa taller blocker, was able to score down the line. The official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League is Axel.
Navarro now at the back.
Tan to Valdez.
You do know that in this fifth set that she will get majority of the sets.
Alam mo naman na sa kanya pupunta.
Oo.
At alam mo naman na siya ang papalo. Pero paano mo sasagutin? Even against a double block, and good coverage, Benil surrenders that last point. Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Tip galing dito sa Blazers. Binigay sa likod. Another drop by Eliza. Michelle Tan doing an excellent job. Coach Ty Bundit. Look at Coach Ty Bundit. Fist pump. Stop and go. Hesitation.
You know, but for Ateneo, the other players, although, like I said earlier, you do know she's going to get majority of the set, but you know that Giselle will give others yung pagbulaga.
Coach Ty Bundit likes that last service ace of Eliza Valdez. Ayop yun.
That was on point. That was spot on.
High risk, high yield
Oo.
for Eliza. This time it's a floater. Ateneo 8, Blazers 5. We're halfway into the fifth and final set. Ateneo has rallied from the depths, so to speak. But Eliza Valdez has been a picture of determination, resilience, and superior confidence once more for Coach Ty Bundit and the rest of the Ateneo Lady Eagles.
And as you mentioned that, she is up to serve for Ateneo.
3-point lead for Eliza and the rest of the Eagles. 8 for Ateneo, 5 for the Blazers.
Another good serve.
And normally, Enclona is a very good receiver.
Wala kargado na It's just winning time for Eliza.
Ano gusto mong play? Ano gusto mong play? Kung makakapatay ka, sabihin mo ano? Sabihin mo ano? Uno, papatay mo sigurado ha? Oh, running. Uno, upakan mo, pakikuberan. Kahit anong mangyari, upakan mo. Ha? Kahit ang pakikuberan lang. Huwag pakipasahan mo na. Ha? Isang patay lang, iikot na. Ay, isang patay lang, isip ko yan.
Do whatever it takes. Animo para sa Blazers. At hiyaw naman dito ng mga supporters ng Ateneo. One big fight.
Yeah, you can really feel yung desperation ni Coach Michael. And yung first two sets, alam mong kaya. The thing is the third and the fourth, really, Ateneo just stomped its class.
It's a race to get 3 sets. Hindi nagtatapos sa dalawang set para manalo. The Cheng keeps them in the hunt. 6 will serve 9. And it's on Ryan Musa's shoulders na makabalik. The ball to shake his feeling is Mikasa.
But you know,
Rania Musa, sorry.
yeah, you know, for the Blazers, no, if they do go on to lose this game, I'm not saying it's over. They have to go, keep watching this video because you learn from it. Kasi the way they played in the first 2 sets, flawless, halos.
Totally different from the
Yeah.
last 2 sets. But Rania Musa making full use of the 8 seconds that she's given. Still down, but now the lead has been sliced to 2 from a high of 4.
Yeah, and Panaga is in front for the Blazers.
Yung hinahanap natin kanina pa. Dump coming from Tan.
Oh,
Panaga gets his handle of that ball.
that was really uncharacteristic.
Merong isang bata ako nakikita sa ibabaw ng tarp na Mikasa. Nakakatuwa mag-react. Ateneo 10, Benil 7. Panaga redeems herself. Blazers 8, Ateneo 10.
Yeah, Panaga's keeping the fight for the Blazers. And Janelle Cheng trying to
Oh,
serve out.
that ball
Ouch.
was sailing long the moment she hit that. Kitang-kita mo ang lakas. 11-8 para dito sa Ateneo.
Good serve.
Giselle Tan attacking Inclona. Panaga connects. Kissing the net. They're still alive. 9 will serve 11.
You know, for me, I feel it's the breakout game for Panaga. I mean, we know she's a top scorer, but really,
Torres again committing a service error. The points are tighter. The players are feeling the anxiety at this stage na rin.
oh,
And there's no doubt that when the big points set in, minsan mahirap mag-deliver.
that's true. And these errors will really haunt them.
Navarro, probably her best vertical for the entire match.
Yeah, they're still not out of it. You know, they're just down by 12. But they gotta do it with Panaga at the back.
Dalawa lamang ang gustong habulin ng Blazers. The only concern for most is it's only a race to 15. They're in the 5th and final set. Tan goes to Valdez.
Panaga was there, but she was unable to control that. Kaya nga sabi ng coach lagi, huwag ka munang luluhod. Try to get it and then dive or kneel. But nauuna minsan ng luhod coach.
That's the power of Eliza Valdez. Once again wreaking havoc on the floor defense of the Blazers.
De Leon's been serving well.
Galing. Navarro. And the Blazers will be giving up 4 match points to the Lady Eagles. They're behind 14-10 here in the 5th set.
Sapatay na lang muna, mali mo, makuha pa natin yan, ha? Tsagaan lang natin, okay lang yan. Sige lang, sige lang. Sapatay.
Do whatever you like, mo. Ladies,
$14 for Ateneo, 10 points for the Blazers. At lumipat na ang agos ng tema ng laro dito sa blue shirts ng Ateneo.
Yeah, but what a treat for the Benilde fans. I mean, they've played so well today.
Valdez keeping the ball alive. Cheng to Navarro. And that point will allow Ateneo to come from behind and win the 3rd, 4th, and 5th sets.
Yeah, but for Coach Ronnie, for me, wake-up call for both teams. For Ateneo, you know, if you don't play well, people can, you know, just grab sets or even beat you. But they were able to maintain the composure as a champion team. But for Benilde, nothing to be ashamed of. You played a spectacular match, although you came up short. Pero again, no, diba, Coach Ronnie, I said, when they lose, watch the video and you learn. Watch how you played the first 2 sets, and if you can learn how to play that throughout the match, your program's really gonna go places.
Second heartbreaker in the last 2 weeks for the Blazers. And again, the biggest heroine para dito sa Ateneo is no doubt the face of the sport in the Philippines today, Miss Eliza Valdez with Miss Trisha Robredo.
Eliza, kanina nakita namin na nag-struggle kayo, and this has probably been the closest game for you the entire conference. How was this game like for you, at paano naman kayo nakabawi in the end?
Well, definitely medyo affected kami sa kasi na-injured yung one of our teammates So ayun, madami na injury. So siguro yun lang, pero at the end of the day, si Coach Tai andyan to guide us, and yung teamwork talaga, it really worked. It really works. So ayan, teamwork works. So yan lang siguro.
Okay, thank you very much, Eliza. And as player of the game, we present to you this box of shakies. At congratulations sa buong Lady Eagles. Back to you guys.
Para kay Trisha Robredo, alam ko, of course, para po sa inyong paboritong shakies, piling to po si Ronnie Magsanok nagsasabing maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa Shakies TV.